We have our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself, indeed, to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i. We want to urge our brothers all over the country, let us see the candidate of Matiang'i, and I'm calling upon Honorable Gachagua, if indeed the passion that you have for the change of the country, the only change that we can get it through Matiang'i when you are supporting him. If Ruto today decided to support another person, let us assume he has vacated office in his first term, we ask him to support Matiang'i. But I want to, again as a governor, to remain sober, focused in terms of making all to be part of the government which will come in 2027. For now, I want to categorically put it, I'm collaborating with the national government as insinuated in the Constitution of Kenya. The national government and the county government, they have to cooperate. We are remaining 2 years to election. I'm not going to abuse Ruto around, whereas he's the president. Given that he's the president, we have only a president. We have not had a candidate in the name of Ruto, or a candidate in the name of Matiang'i, or a candidate in the name of Raila, or a candidate in the name of Kalonzo. Today we have the president. Candidates will come at the right time that we are going into elections. Therefore, as a governor, I will collaborate with all leaders, and I want to welcome all leaders in Kisii.